Yes, sir. Rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. This morning, I'm out here working on a client's vehicle. Loyal client, 2017 Chrysler Pacifica 3.6 V6. We're going to be doing a tune-up on this bad boy.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Rise and grind, good people, rise and grind. Look, man, I want to start off by saying I appreciate everybody who subscribed to the boy channel, man. Y'all getting me up there. But back to the main event, and if you don't know, let me break down the rules. We're going to have one lucky winner win this free car service. For your chance to win, this is what you need to do. 3 easy steps. First and foremost, subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Watch out for that keyword and comment it in the section below. Alright, that's how that come out. Got them little snaps in the back. And here we go. We have intake manifold. This whole thing is covering the 3 in the front. And we have 3 in the back, which is exposed. We can get those going easy. But you can see this engine is like you would expect it easy in the front, but this thing is backwards. But we're gonna get it right. That's Chrysler for you. All right, looking at, we got a few bolts, get some light. All right, so we got 8mm bolts holding this intake manifold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking like 8 in the front of that. So I'm gonna just hit those, loosen those up. And then I'm gonna start getting everything from around the intake disconnected. All of that. Air box. All of that. Alright, so we got our spark plugs. Here's the part number I'm using. And the iridium. Don't need they pre-gap, don't need the gappies. Just put them on there. Alright, we're gonna take off this box, air box. Boom, we got an 8mm here, 8mm here. Take out this connector. Just press that in. That's an 8mm, 10mm, and then you should be able to pull that up. You really ain't got to take off this band here, but if you need to, and just push back, get that off of that throttle body. It's no clamp, it's just like a tight fit. Get off that fit, that connector right there, that sensor. So we looking clear, got a clear path, we can get to everything. Finish taking off these connectors. This little clip right here. Okay, so it's got little tabs at the bottom of it. You want to push it like to the left, both of them at the same time, to get it past the locking point. And then you get up under it with a flat head and you pull it up. Just want to show that so you don't break it. Alright, so I got everything undone. Everything that I need to take off. Alright. Next, we got these 2 10mm bolts here. Went ahead and took that out. Get that out the way. Alright, we gotta take out this hose right here. It's connected to this unit. And then we should be able to come on up with the intake. I'm gonna show you this. Get down to here on this side. You see that socket? It's a 10 mil socket. That right there is a bolt holding the bracket to this unit. Once you release, take that out, then you can come up with the intake. That's the bolt right there. Until you get those two bolts out in the front, it's another one right there. I believe it's just one. Let's see. Alright, remove those. Let's see. Okay, we can move around. Okay, it look like the wire harnesses has to come off of. Well, from over here. Yeah, that did the trick, man. That did the trick. That was pretty tough. I ain't gonna lie. Good labor. We get all 6 of them. Let's get it. Alright, got our coil packs out in the front. Alright, take those spark plugs out. Alright, got the first 3 out. Old champions. We going in with better plugs. On to the back. Alright, we got all 6 of them out. Go ahead and swap them out. Alright, we all in. Put in these coil packs. Alright, we got everything in the front ready. Now we go ahead and put the air box back in. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. It was shaking like a stripper real bad. But I'm gonna start it up and see what it do. That's gonna be it for this video, man. So if you're liking the content, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and like the video. I appreciate it. Go ahead, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hey man, next video, the Pull Up King.
With another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.